Hey guys, how to clear your iPhone to sell or give it to somebody? It's pretty simple. Let's get started. First go to Settings, open Settings, and here find General. Open General Settings, then swipe down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, and before you sell or give your iPhone to somebody, I recommend to make a backup. To do this, tap Get Started and continue. Your apps and data will be backed up automatically and kept up to date until you set up your new iPhone. Then return, and here we see Reset and Erase. Open Reset, and if we need to reset settings, we can make it here. But if we need to erase all information, all data before selling, then select Erase all content and settings. And most importantly, pay attention. Here you sign out of your Apple ID and remove your personal data. Tap Continue, enter the passcode for this iPhone, then enter the Apple ID password. After entering the password, the iPhone will return to the factory settings, and you can safely give it to another person. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you soon.